Now let's talk about how you can take wide-angle selfies on your Android phone, and let's get into it. This of course comes down heavily to your phone and your specific hardware. But if your phone does support the wide-angle selfies, you can open up your camera app like that and just pay attention. Of course, if you flip it, make sure you are on this is the rear camera where we have the controls, but if I flip it to the front facing, we have the one person and a double person icon, which is like to fit more people into the frame. So if I switch it to the double person view, it kind of zooms out a little bit more. So this is technically the wide angle selfie. So this is how you can change it, right? So we have the button right here, but you can also use the gestures where you just pinch in and out on the screen without pressing the button, and it could also work. So this is the built-in camera. But we could also have the same thing inside of the Snapchat, right? So you might also try if it works in here, or if you take selfies through another camera. There are actually more of camera apps, of course, available. Just pay attention to the same buttons or the gestures. Try to pinch out a little bit or use the zoom slider to just go. You can see we have it like that inside of the open camera. So it works a bit different on a different platform, but as I said, it all comes down to the hardware. When your phone simply isn't equipped with a better camera lens, well, there isn't much what we can do with these settings and apps and everything. So yeah, this is the important part. Now, I would really love to know if you managed to do it on your phone. Most definitely let me know below in the comments about that. But I'm going to wrap up the video. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm going to catch you later in the future tutorials.